Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to go over our little hatching setup here. We'll probably end up having to modify it a little bit later because just some things didn't work out the way we were wanting it to. So we have the incubator here. Everyone gives this incubator bad reviews, but it's worked fine for us, so we continue to use it. We incubate them in here. The ones up on top of the other ones are Muscovy eggs because they like to be hatched on their side. And then I built this incubator that we are currently using as a hatcher out of a styrofoam container. And then I put a cardboard box around it just to kind of block the light when it turns on and off. I have a little tiny screwdriver right here. Helps me adjust the thermostat, which is a water heater thermostat. I'll open it up and show you the setup in here. So I have a computer fan there, light bulb there, and thermostat. Little temperature hydrometer. I put foil right here to block the light because that way it's not blinding to the chicks. Underneath here is hardware cloth, and underneath the hardware cloth is, a dish for water, and there's a sponge in it to kind of help with the humidity. I put them in here to hatch, and then I'll just come in here with the spray bottle and spray every once in a while with a paper towel. Helps keep the humidity up. Spray the eggs that are currently hatching. Close that all the way. I don't know if you can see down in here. All the wiring is under there. You have to wire the light bulb to the thermostat, but the fan is separate. So the fan stays on all the time, and the thermostat turns the light bulb on and off to kind of help keep the temperature. And the reason I use the water heater thermostat is because it's more accurate and more sensitive than other thermostats. So it turns on and off more quickly and keeps the temperature better regulated. As you can see, I have some babies in here. They are not due until tomorrow, and most of these hatched last night. And then I have some more over here, so you can see that they're pipping. That's it. One thing about the homemade incubator though is you always have to make sure you're using a brand new light bulb, because if you don't, you run the risk of it burning out, which happened on this batch. The light bulb burnt out, and I lost all the eggs that were in the hatcher. They all died. Just the other day I had some in there. So just be aware of that and be careful. That's it. Cute little babies. These are all olive eggers and Leghorn Americana crosses.